Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will do the ninth chapter of economics. The name of the chapter is Money Market and Capital Market in India. Today we are dealing with the part 2 of the chapters. In this we will learn the functions of Reserve Bank of India. When we talk about the functions, there are the 8 functions of Reserve Bank of India. First one is to issue the currency note. Second one is as a banker to the government. Third one is bankers bank. Fourth one is custodian of foreign exchange reserve. Fifth one is controller of credit. Sixth one is collection and publication of data. Seventh one is promotional and developmental function. And eighth one, the last one, is other functions of Reserve Bank of India. Now let us start with the first function, that is issue of currency note. RBI has the sole right to issue the currency note of all denominations. So RBI issues the currency notes of all denominations except 1 rupee note and coins, as per the minimum reserve system of 1957. RBI is required to maintain the minimum gold and foreign exchange reserve. So in order to issue the currency note, RBI has to maintain the minimum gold and the foreign exchange reserve of rupees 200 crore. How much? Rupees 200 crore, out of which at least 115 crore should be in gold and the remaining 85 crore should be in terms of foreign currency. Are you getting? So RBI, in order to print the currency, has to maintain the rupees 200 crore reserve, of which 115 should be in gold and 85 crore should be in foreign currencies and the government securities. Second one is as a banker to the government. RBI acts as a banker, agent and advisor to the government. It transacts the business to both central and the state government. It accepts money as well as makes payment on behalf of the government. It also undertakes the management of public debt. It advises the government on wide range of economic issues. So it is acting as a banker to the government. Third one is bankers bank. RBI exercises the statutory control over the commercial bank. All the scheduled banks are compulsory required to maintain the certain minimum cash reserve with RBI against their demand and time liabilities. RBI provides financial assistance to the bank in the form of discounting eligible bill. Loans and advances are also provided against the approved securities. So this was the third functions of Reserve Bank of India. Fourth one is custodian of foreign exchange reserve. RBI acts as a custodian of the foreign exchange reserves. It maintains the official rate of exchange of rupee as well as ensures stability. RBI also undertakes buys and sells the currencies of all members of International Monetary Funds. So the fourth function is it acts as a custodian of foreign exchange reserve. Fifth function is it is acting as a controller of credit. As a supreme banking authority of the country, RBI has the power to influence the volume of credit by commercial banks. It also monitors the purpose of use of credit, quantitative methods as a banker in the open market operation, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, control the volume of credit. So qualitative methods such as fixing of margin requirement, credit rationing, moral suasion regulate the purpose of use of credit. So the fifth function is controller of the credit. Now the sixth one is collection and publication of data. RBI collects and compiles the statistical information related to the banking and other sectors of the economy. So it collects the data and publishes the data. Seventh one is promotional and developmental function. RBI also performs certain promotional and developmental functions such as extending banking services in semi-urban and rural areas, providing security to depositor, development of specialized institution for agricultural, industrial and finance, etc. These are all the promotional and developmental function of the bank. Other functions is, now the eighth and the last function is, I hope all the 7 function is clear to you. Now let us start with the 8th function, that is the other function. RBI act as the clearing houses for setting the accounts between the member banks as a lender of large resource. So it also provides liquidity to the bank experiencing financial difficulties. So I hope all the 8 function is clear. The first was issue of currency note, second was banker to the government, third was bankers bank, fourth one was custodian of foreign exchange reserve, fifth one is controller of credit, sixth one is collection and publication of data, seventh one was promotional and developmental function, and eighth one was other functions.